nice. Okay. Light pink.
Ooh.
Oh, thank you. Oh, no. I'm just happy. That's all. Happiness is really
That's cool.
so you guys had a long drive, too. We might end up in Kennewick.
I really like this.
And his job's going to transfer him in October, and we're not sure if it's going to be Salem or Kennewick, but maybe Salem, maybe Kennewick, we're not sure. We're in White City, right next to Medford. So we're ready to go. I've been in this part of the Oregon for 6 years, and I'm ready to move on. And my old neighbor in Vegas was from Kennewick, and she used to tell me really nice things about the town, and the whole Tri-Cities area is really pretty. And,
it's big enough for the advantageous things of life, but not so big.
that you're up against your neighbors, and yeah, I like a little space. No, and he's discouraging me from getting chickens again. But,
No
There's
chickens.
a skunk issue, I love it because the ones that I used to breed, the most recent ones that I did were Malaysian, and they were the smallest breed of chickens, so they were like this small. You can keep them in rabbit cages inside.